Welcome to our online brain longevity therapy training. We know there can be a learning curve when navigating an online course, so we wanted to take the time and get you comfortable with our platform. I'm sure you'll enjoy the course more if you can easily access the content. Now that you're registered, you have an account with us. In this video, I'll show you how to use your student dashboard, register for an event, and how to access all of the content in your ARPF Academy. So this page should look rather familiar because it's how you got to the registration. This is our home page, arpf.com. Feel free to take a look around, but what's really important is your member login and the ARPF Academy. So if you want quick access to the course, just click here, ARPF Academy. As you scroll down, you'll see we have several different courses here. The one you've registered is the Brain Longevity Therapy Training. So that's the first one here. You'll see we have others. These are from past events. For future webinars or workshops, all you have to do is register for them, and then you'll be granted access. Right now, if you haven't registered for these, you won't have access. So here is your course. You can click it, and you're in. And this is where you begin. So you'll see we've got the table of contents, the bonus videos. I have been taking this course so you can see the check marks. This means I've completed each segment. The way the course was designed was that it builds upon each other. So you go from module to module in a specific order. That's why we have locks on some of the sessions here, you'll see. You can't access them until you have finished the one before it. So I can jump around here. Because I've already completed it, I can go back in and take a look and sort of pop around. You'll see I've gotten to Module 2, Brain Anatomy. So if we take a look in here, you click into it. You've got the video. You've got the module curriculum here, which you can download by clicking this. And once you have completed this, you go to the quiz. You'll see right here next. You can always go back to the last module by clicking previous and then next to move forward. So once we take this quiz, I'll have the module number 3 unlocked. You'll see I've started the quiz. I just haven't finished it yet. You have to get an 80% or better. And you have 10 attempts to finish this quiz to get that 80%. Once you do that, you get to move forward. Now, not every module is the same. Most of them have the video and have the quiz in the document, but not all of them do. Some of them, for instance, let's see here. Longevity yoga exercise for everybody. That's a handout. So there's no quiz involved. There's no video. So some of them will go a lot quicker than the others. You can definitely preview all of these by just taking a look around, but you won't have access until you've completed the quiz before that module. So this is where you want to be. One thing that you can do is save this link up here in the bar, arpf.mclms.net. So you can go there every time. You'll just have to log in. Now that you have an account with us, you can do that. So you'll get access to your course. If you ever have questions, feel free to reach out to us. You'll get plenty of emails inviting you to student support meetings, events, webinars that we have going on throughout the year. So if we were to go back to that arpf.com, you'll see we've got this member login area. If you click there, you will have to sign in. I'm going to quickly sign in to my student account. And you'll see this is our membership dashboard. You'll see my name here, says that I'm a student. When you graduate, that will change to foundation because that's your new member type. So you can peruse here, look at the membership benefits. You can update your profile so that once you do graduate, you'll be listed in our directory here. If you look in the lower right-hand corner, we also have the tab up here at the top. This is so if you offer any online classes or in person, you can put your information out there so people can contact you for more information. So it is nice if you can add a photo to your profile. You'll see here we have BLTT course download materials. If you click that, these are all the PowerPoints. So these are for you to teach with. So you can download them and update them, add some photos, make them your own, because I know a lot of people present to different audiences. So if you have a yoga class and you're making a presentation, it might look different than from someone at a senior center or to friends. There's a wide variety of uses for all these, and we realize that you need to be able to finesse them to your specific audience. So you can download those here. Again, that's at your membership student landing page, BLTT course download materials. We'll also put upcoming events here. You'll see we don't have anything going on right now. This is a very special moment because this almost never happens. We usually have several events going on, from webinars, workshops. We'll do meditation challenges, but most importantly for you are our student support meetings. So we'll have those about once a month, which are great to keep you motivated and inspired. And we love getting to know our students and strengthening this community. So if you ever have questions about the foundation or about the curriculum, we can answer those for you right then and there. And we alternate the times for those meetings so there's more flexibility for everyone. But you will receive emails about that shortly, and you can just click that link, register for free, and you'll get a link in your inbox to the meeting. So it's very simple. So again, if you need to access the Academy, you can click here. You can go to the top. I do recommend taking a brief look around and just getting comfortable and acquainted with our new platform. But we are very excited to have you here with us. Again, please reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you at the upcoming student support meetings. We hope you enjoy.